Welcome, in front of me is the Samsung Galaxy A20s, and today I will show you how we can copy contacts from your SIM card to the phone. Now to get started, simply open up the standalone contacts application. For me it's right over here. So once you open it up, you can then click right here on these three bars, select Manage Contacts, and from there you're gonna select Import or Export Contacts. I'm gonna select Import, and from here we're gonna select where we're gonna be importing this, the contacts to. So I'm gonna select Phone. Actually no, this is where we're importing them from first. There we go. So here we go. So in this case, as you've seen, I selected SIM card, and this will display all the contacts that are on the SIM card. Now from here we're gonna just either select them manually by tapping on them, or we can tap right here to select all of them, and we can also deselect ones that we don't want. From there you're gonna click Done. It asks you where you want to import contacts to. So I only have Phone as an option, but if you're logged into your Samsung account or Google account, this will be visible as an option right here as well. There we go. Let's click on Import, and here we go, it's done. So now when we go back, we should have our contacts right here. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.